We are all about safety because we like to be prepared. We like to be safe. We do all these little things because it's better to be safe than sorry. And it's our way to show that we care for each other. A daily routine, a weekly schedule, they're second nature to us. So what does this mean? It may sound over the top, but to us, it's obvious. We know that safety and routines create efficiency. It enables innovation and offers endless possibilities. Not just here, but everywhere. Worldwide. The way we think about safety is defined by the way we live our lives. And this reflects in everything we do. We never stop caring about the little things. And that's why it's no coincidence that we produce some of the world's best safety products here at Axelent.